Sohra Mdc and leader of the opposition in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Tito Starwell Khan, has commended the Meghalaya police for their professionalism and steadfast commitment during the investigation into the recent Raja Raghuvanshi murder case involving a couple from Indore. Khan expressed serious concern over the spread of misinformation during the course of investigation, which he said unfairly tarnished the image of places and localities such as Nongriat and Maulakiat. The MDC demanded a public apology from those responsible for propagating such defamatory content, stressing the need to protect the dignity of the people and places wrongfully implicated.
I would like to begin by commending the Meghalaya police for their unwavering commitment in solving the case involving Raja and Sonam. Despite intense public pressure and false accusation, they remain focused, professional, and ultimately deliver justice. As the representatives of Sohra, I thank everyone involved in the investigation and search operation, the government of Meghalaya, especially the police, the district administration, the local elders of Sohra villages, the local guides, and each and everyone which are deeply concerned about this incident, especially for those local guides from Maulakiat and Nongriat. I feel that they should give full recognition from the concerned authority. However, I must also address a serious concern. During the course of this case, there were reckless and baseless allegations made against the Meghalaya government, the police, and especially the local people of Sohra. These accusations not only damage the reputation but also deeply hurt the dignity of our community. Now that the facts are clear, I strongly demand a public apology from those who defame our institutions and our people, misleading the public and targeting an entire community with false narratives is unacceptable and must be called out. Sohra is well known for its hospitality and tourism is our lifeline. So we would like to continue to welcome the tourists, the visitors warmly, but we will not also remain silent when our integrity is attacked.